Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to do operations using scientific notation. So I'm just going to use two numbers and I'm going to show you how we would do each of them. So let's say we have 5.13 times 10 to the fourth and 7.2 times 10 to the 11th. Now, usually you'd have some kind of word problem. You have to decide, are you adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? But what I want to show you today is just how to do those operations. Now, I always recommend that you put parentheses around each number. So you put parentheses around this and parentheses around this because sometimes you don't need the parentheses, right? If you're adding, then order of operations will automatically, it'll do the exponents first, and then it'll do the multiplication second, and last it will add. So that's fine. Same with subtraction. If this was subtraction instead, last it will subtract, and that's great. If this was multiplication, we have the commutative property of multiplication. So it will do the exponents first, and then it's just going to multiply in order. This one, and then it's going to do this multiplication and then this one, and that's fine. But so even though with those three, really the parentheses aren't crucial, with division, the parentheses are very crucial. And if you do not have the parentheses, then order of operations, it's going to do your exponents first, and then it's going to multiply and divide from left to right. So it's going to do this multiplication, and then this division, and then this multiplication, and that is going to mess up your answer. So it's very important that you have parentheses when you're dividing. So I just always have the parentheses around each number that's in scientific notation. That way I don't have to remember. I don't have to think, oh, I can't remember if this one, it is crucial or it is not crucial. You don't have to remember that. If you just always put parentheses around each number, just like it's here, then you just know that your calculator is doing those order of operations in the correct order. It's going to do what you want it to do. So that is doing operations with scientific notation.